Hello and welcome to our series of tutorials. And in this tutorial, we are going to cover a new tool called BatchX. Now, before we go into the details of BatchX, first, let's remind ourselves of what we have learned in the editor, because that is going to be very important. All those learnings are going to be very important. So as you can see here, I've loaded a 3D model and I've created a few material configurations, 3 different gold colors and a few diamond colors. Also in this scene, there are 3 camera views. So we can, this is one camera view, this is another one, and this is the next one. Now, one of the main things which a jewelry manufacturer or designer or a retailer want is images and videos. So as we saw in our previous learnings, you can download the images using the capture snapshot, or you can also record videos by going to export, and there are options for exporting the videos. We had learned all of this in our previous tutorials. But if you want to do that in the editor, you have to do it manually one by one for all the views. So you go to the next view, for instance, or change something and then take a snapshot for different combinations. You have to do this process manually. And same thing goes for videos. What BatchX helps us is doing all of this process, rendering images and videos automatically. So let's go into this. So here is the very simple interface of BatchX. Before we go any details of BatchX, let's see, we have a folder here and we have a few files. As you can see, these are 3DM files, and there is a scene setting file which contains all the information about the materials, about camera views, background, and everything. And this was created in the editor. So all you have to do it in BatchX is to drag and drop and do the export too. So now what you'll see is BatchX is actually processing all of the images, and possibly if you can also create videos here automatically, and it will do it for every SKU. Right now it is doing the SKU 2. So like you can see that it has 109 combinations for this model. It will do that, and after that, once it goes to the next SKU in the next model, it will create images and videos for that. So now it has, you can see it is doing for the next one, and since we had created option for video, it is generating video for that, and all of this process will be automatic. So BatchX is specifically designed for this purpose, so that you can create hundreds or even thousands of images and videos automatically without doing it manually. And it can really save you a lot of time and, of course, money by doing this automation. So in the next few videos, we'll go into some more details of BatchX. It's going to be simple because most of the details are in the editor. How do you create materials? How do you create camera views? How do you create different material combinations? In BatchX, it's going to be simple, but still, let's cover a few details in the next few videos. Till then, thank you so much for watching.